Bulletin, immediate broadcast requested. Severe thunderstorm warning. National Weather Service, Sterling, Virginia. 6:32 p.m. EST, Saturday, April 12, 2023. The National Weather Service in Sterling issued a tornado warning for Leesburg in West Loudoun County, Virginia, and Sterling in West Loudoun County, Virginia, and Ashburn in West Loudoun County, Virginia, and District of Columbia, and Winchester, Virginia, and Maryville, Virginia, and Alexandria, Virginia, and Reston, Virginia, and Arlington, Virginia, and Purcellville, Virginia, and until 7:37 p.m. EST. At 6:31 p.m. EST, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Winchester to the District of Columbia, moving east at 58 mph. Hazard: 156 mph wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Asterisk locations impacted include Winchester, Maryville, Shannondale, Bluemont, Mt. Weather, Philemont, Purcellville, Leesburg, Poolseyville, Ashburn, Broadlands, Brambleton, Sterling, Reston, Great Falls, Potomac, Roxville, Bethesda, Arlington, Alexandria, District of Columbia, Fairfax, Annandale, Springfield, Chandler, South Riding, Stone Ridge. Precaution/preparedness actions. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of sturdy building. Avoid windows/stay away from windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornado damage threat and immediate. Hail threat. Radar indicated. Max hail size, 0.75 inches. Wind threat, radar indicated. Max wind gust, 170 mph.